Okay, so um, here I'm going to show you how to use the unique number in the batch file. So unique number meaning even this is identical. So if I copy this one, copy special linear. So one, so let's say 1 meter, and then I'll put here 3. So meaning these are identical. So look, at this point of time, I'm going to run the numbering. I haven't changed the unique number yet. So perform the numbering and then modify the object. So look, if I change the, or if I show the assembly position and then the part position, okay, modify. So B1, 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 M1, B1, M1. And then this one is B1, F1, B1, F1. Okay, so on the assembly level, that one is B1. So if you notice here, all B1, B1, right? Because this one is not a unique number. So now let's try the changing the unique number. So save, and then go to the settings, options, and then sorry, under the settings, advanced options, and then you type here unique. Okay, so as you can see here, unique assembly number. So it is false. Then I'll change this one to true. And then this one, so position number of all the parts when numbering, even the parts are equal. So that is the meaning of unique number. Here, create unique position number for all parts when numbering, even if the parts are equal. So I'm going to apply this one. Apply and okay. And then let me reopen the model. Yeah, I need to restart. Or if that one doesn't work on the reopening the model, then I have to close the whole Tekla structure. Okay, so now uh, let's change the, let's do the renumber all, apply, and okay. So renumber all means it will renumber, restart the numbering. So everything will be changed, and then perform. Renumber all is selected, all parts will get a new number. So yes. So look, so under the B1, because this is the original one, B1, M1, and then you can see here F1, and then F4, and then F6. Because here, F2, F3, F5. So here, this one will be B2, F7, F10, and F12, because this one is F8, F9, and so if you notice here, it's unique already. So now, let's select this one and then get the report of the assembly part position, assembly list, assembly part list, and then create from selected. And then as you can see here, these are all the unique number shown. So B1, B2, B3, B4, and then M1, F1 to F6, M2, M7, F7 to F12, M3. So this is the how the unique number is used in numbering. So as you can see here, they have different number, even it's identical.
So before is the false or true? I mean,
Yes, yes. You just change the false to true, and then you will get this one. And then you have to restart the model. Okay?
Sorry, I need to settle something.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, so that's it. I'll just close that video so that